In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use timelines in Google Sheets. If you've opened your spreadsheet and looked under the Insert menu but can't find Timeline, don't worry, this feature is officially available for Google Workspace, Business, and Education accounts. If you are signed in with a free personal@gmail.com account, the native timeline option may be missing. That doesn't mean you can't build a timeline. It just means you'll use an add-on instead, which works right inside Google Sheets. Here is how to set that up. With your spreadsheet open, go to the Extensions menu. Choose Add-ons and then click Get Add-ons. This takes you to the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, type Timeline or Gantt chart. You'll see a variety of tools designed for project planning and visual timelines. Pick one that matches your needs. Many popular options are labeled Gantt chart or Project Management. Click Install, then follow the prompts to grant the necessary permissions so the add-on can run in your sheet. Once installation finishes, return to your spreadsheet. Open the Extensions menu again, select the Gantt chart add-on you just installed, and choose Create Gantt chart. The add-on will generate a new sheet for you. This is where you'll set up the basics of your timeline. Start by adding a clear title, so it's easy to recognize your project at a glance. Then focus on the core fields that every timeline needs, the start date and the end date for each task. Enter your tasks in rows, making sure each one has a start date that comes before its end date. Use dates in a format Google Sheets recognizes, such as year, month, day, and keep your date columns consistent, so the add-on can plot them accurately. If a task spans just one day, repeat the same date in both start and end to show a single day bar. As you add more tasks, you'll see the Gantt view update to reflect durations and sequencing. If you notice bars not appearing, double-check for typos, blank date cells, or text that looks like a date but isn't formatted as one. Many add-ons also let you adjust colors, labels, or the visible date range, so feel free to fine-tune the look to match your project. The key is to keep your task names clear and your dates clean. Those two things do most of the heavy lifting. That's it. Thanks for watching.